President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala ulaong ba kampat siyamla dan satya ka no kuno iakren bat kino kini Myntri ki bala shah weng no nakakinhun Myntri balayalam da ukonrat ki sangma Henry ula banjur ba ka jingklan ba ka jingnang yo bor jong party Rilum Garo kande kamat ka bakongsan kaban kring ki bala pet seng ngimpat syamla dan ya kabakum kani ka iakren Henry ngi pedang sengobhaya baro ong uba pala haba benra ba ka jinglong bala banyak kendo ba ka jingbam dan nongshun ka jong u kapenlong ya ukum ubrio ubala ban penyatli hapo ka party ngam dan nongshun habaya nujor bat ki wepan ong uba pala haba keren sekilap thai kubor hak shi tarik no pra uba pala ulak doru baki dan kidongelam ki bedang ap ban yoi ka jingla jong ka Congress ban lebha Rilum Garo haswa bakin sashim ya kisenjam kasyong ha karukam trekam ka jongi Rilum Garo bar kasyong halor ka jimpan kre ka jongi nakabenta ka seng anam dan ki banwan yaso bat ngi ladang itelan Henry ladangi klan ki beriu kin long ki balapan kre banwan penyaso bat ngi ula benram kat ba uba pala syam la pentikna halor ka iakren bat ki Myntri barim Henry ula ong ngalayakren bat ki babun ki paralok bat ki babun ki paralok ki lalong ki bakloy banwan penyaso Henry menta ngan hap ban lech US ban ya shimbenta ka jingalang halor udrong bat ki kam khai beriu hak Henry tarik no pra kumta ha ubanai kelaling kot ubanwan kindan katu kat ningut ki banwan penyaso syaka Congress.
I think before the election, there's always be a shifting, joining from one party to the other party, or maybe the party who left and joined back. So I think same thing happened in other parties, and same thing happened in Congress also. But something significant this time because the election in Garos is around the corner, hopefully by April. So many of the people who were in the Congress left the Congress, and now they realize that Congress is the only party who's stable and who's fighting for the minority, who's fighting for the tribals. That's all. I think they all come back to us. It's a good news for us, not only in Garo Hills, even here in Kasia Jantia Hills also. Hopefully by New Year, many of them will be joining back this time. So yeah, I think it's a process before the election also, but at the same time, there's a revival in the party. We have been working very hard in the party also. We are talking to many leaders. This is a time where I think elections is another 2 years, so we have enough time to prepare for ourselves. So I think people realize this time that Congress should do well. The only challenge for the Congress, we have to provide a good candidate. That is a challenge for us. We are on the job for all this, and the voters and all, I think if we get a good candidate, I think we should be able to perform well in the coming elections, be it in the council or be in the assembly also. I'm in talk with my friend. Many friends are ready to join, but I'll be leaving for US for conference on drugs abuse, on human trafficking, and so many other things on the 6th of December. I think it will take me minimum 10 days because US it take you 2 days to go, 2 days to come, and if there's a conference of 4 days, so that will take. So after I come back from there, there'll be Christmas. So I told them we'll do it in the month of January. So hopefully by January, quite a few of them will be joining. And like I said, certain things we cannot tell to the press everything. You have a patience when they join. I think that will be better. Quite a few of them. I think the leadership in the Congress is that's only mainly in the press, but within the party, we have been discussed many times, you know. But as on today, I think we don't have any problems in the party. Those who had a problem, they left not because of leadership. If you see, most of the MLAs who has gone, I keep on saying for the last 4 or 5 years, many of them have come, many have come back. Nobody has even said that they went because of him. Only after they left, so in the press they have to say something. So, you know, when you make some mistake, it's bound to blame on others people. So the only to blame is, you know, when they leave. But when they were in the party, they never discuss about the leadership issue. So the question of the question of resolving doesn't arise. I'll always be there, and as long as the party feels that I should be there, I will be there. Like I always tell that, you know, I'll not I'm not like others. You can simply bulldoze, or simply people can say you resign and resign. You go out or sit down and you stand up. We are here to work for the interests of the people. As long as the people needs us, as long as the party needs us, we should work honestly. We should work with transparency, and we should with transparency, and we should work also with accountability. So that's his attention. I'm the president, I'm accountable so many things. That's why we are training the people, we are working, we are launching the ideas, we are coordinating with the national leaders. And as a national party, we should also produce the leaders from Meghalaya to go at a national level. When I was there as an MP, we brought Janit Sangma Amperin Charles as a secretary of the party. I think that's the same thing we are planning to do now. We should send somebody from Meghalaya to the national level also, not only to become as a spokesperson, but also to do research and also to do many other works in social media, even in press and other things. We want to train them. After we train them, maybe if they want to go somewhere else, we don't mind. We have a broad mindset, and the party is always there to help the people. That's the attention, and that's our preparation, and that's what exactly we are looking for. It's only when the government announced the date of election. Today is too early when the election will announce. We have got our groundwork done. We have invited, we have got 67 applicants. But since we get it ready, so the moment they announce, when we know the dates, and then we'll declare it. It's too early to say now, because when you fight the election, it doesn't depend on the Congress alone. It depends on the opposition. It depends on the other parties. How is the candidate? Whether they feel the candidate, the MDC sitting, or they feel the MLAs, or they feel. So it's too early to say now how many will get, and I think that's. But hopefully, people this time we are tilting towards the Congress, provided we can give a proper candidate, and provided we work hard. I think that's normally people trust you, provided you do your homework properly. Definitely, when people leave the party, join the party, there's an effect. If, so in politics, there's no smalls and there's no big. It depends on the area. So definitely, Sadiarani and Janit, they are leaders in Karhal. Sadiarani is a sitting MDC. Janit was many times our MLA and a minister. Definitely, it will help the not only in Garhals, but it will help also even the people in Khasi Jantia. Many of my friends from this side also called me. They said that this with their joining, it will affect even the mindset of people here also. So definitely, it should help us. We don't have any such talks, but we welcome anybody. Yeah, as you know that by nature I'm approachable, and then I have no enemy compared to the rest of them. I do talk to our friends about it. Some of them even giving hopes that now it's difficult for them to come up, but maybe when election comes, some of them may be joining with us also. But to be frank, it depends on our performance in Garhals. It depends also on our preparations in the organizations. That's why we are working hard. Nobody will join with us if we are weak, but if we are strong, definitely people will be ready to top up, will be ready to join and strengthening us. There's a will of the people. At the same time, there's also a possibility that many also will join.